The total area of the company is 35,000 square meters, and the building area is 32,000 square meters. The main products are various specifications of normal, CNC, cylindrical grinders, CNC, transverse cylindrical grinders, automatic cutting, CNC, cylindrical grinders, composite grinders, and ordinary CNC, high-precision cylindrical grinders. The company can also design and develop various non-standard special grinding machines according to users' needs. Initial cooperation of the company with Zhejiang Hangji Foundry Company Limited guarantees high-quality castings with comprehensive capabilities in product development and constant technology innovation. The company has employed productive CNC machining equipment and accurate testing instruments to further improve production efficiency. Guided by the try and buy concept, the company, over the past decades, has made achievements on industrial technology and accumulated rich production experience, and become more competitive in the production of various types of grinders and related components. Allow you to visit and cooperate with us.